Do you want to create video using text? Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered video creation with a fantastic tool called Haiper AI. Ever feel overwhelmed by the idea of creating videos for YouTube or social media? Editing software can be complex, and filming yourself isn't always an option. But what if you could simply write a script, and Haiper AI turns it into a cool video? That's exactly what this tool does. Benefits of Haiper AI. The beauty of Haiper AI is its simplicity. No more struggling with editing software. Just write your script and Haiper transforms it into a video. This saves you tons of time, especially if you're a busy content creator who needs to pump out regular videos. Plus, Haiper offers a variety of video styles. Want something cartoony and fun? Done. How about a sleek, futuristic vibe? They have that too. There's even a classic film style for a more serious tone. With Haiper, you can choose the style that perfectly complements your content. The best part? You can try it for free. Haiper offers a free trial to test the waters. They also have paid plans that unlock even more features. Getting started with Haiper AI. Let's get you started with Haiper AI. Head over to their website. We'll put the link in the description below. Signing up is a breeze. You can use your Google or Discord account. Once you're in, you'll see several options. Today, we'll focus on the one called Create Video with Text. Think of it as a video creation workshop. You write the instructions, and Haiper builds the video based on your script. Creating your first video. Now comes the fun part. Writing your video script. Imagine you're telling a story. You can get the script from ChatGPT. For this, head over to ChatGPT and get the script. Example. Write a story about a small village girl for 30 sec. Once the story generated, we'll copy the script. Keep it clear and concise, focusing on the key points you want to convey. Here's a tip. Haiper understands common language better than super fancy words. So instead of saying extremely happy, use something like super excited. Once you've got your script ready, it's time to choose your video style. Do you want something whimsical and cartoony? Or maybe a classic film look for a more historical theme? The choice is yours. Making your video come alive. With your script and style selected, simply hit the Create Video button. Haiper will take your instructions and transform them into a video. Just like baking a cake, it might take a little while depending on the length and complexity of your video. Once it's finished, you can download the video to your computer. Now you have a polished video created entirely from your script. Polishing your Haiper AI video. Let's take a look at your video. Depending on your plan, you might be able to make some minor edits within Haiper itself. For even more control, you can use other video editing software later on. Here are some additional tips to make your Haiper AI video truly shine. Use captivating visuals and clear audio to grab your viewers' attention. Add a call to action at the end, encouraging viewers to subscribe or like your video. Share your creation on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. So, as you can see, Haiper AI makes video creation a breeze. No more complicated editing software or fancy filming setups. Simply write a script, and Haiper takes care of the rest. Give Haiper AI a try and see what amazing videos you can create. Let us know in the comments below what you think of this tool. Did this tutorial help you out? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tips and tricks.